I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing, get sent to the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the schedule. If she get time of day, then I had it.
What's up, Zooty fam? I'm back with another banger. So after doing like changing the spark plugs and fixing the brake sensor, tightening my exhaust, all the lights went away, everything was good, but I did forget to change one thing, which is the vanos. So I'm gonna change both of those. It's like a 10-minute job, but yeah, bro, let's go ahead and get started. Let's get started, make another banger. Whoop, 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 whoop. Look at, oh, it's 12. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up this motherfucking dog. You dig what I'm saying? Go ahead and open her up, cuz. Hold on, okay. Y'all can't see it, but the vanos jumps is like right here. One, there's two of them. So one right here, one right there. But I take this shit off. Remember, adding bolts. And take those off. And after that, I think it's two 10mm socket. So I'll be back once all that off. Woo woo. Alright, yo, we're gonna have to. Well, I'm trying to take this cover off without removing all this shit. I need to go ahead and tuck my wires and stop putting this shit back down there. I don't think it's gonna work though. Let's see. Like it wiggling. I'm up out of this tank. To be honest, you probably good right there though. So now you can see the vanos is better. See if I get the camera in there so I can see it. It's one, and then the other one with the white mark on it is two. So, like I said, it should be a 10. Should be a 10. Good. Try to see if it's a 10. Damn, can I see? Well, can't see, man. I can't see. Matter of fact, hold on. Try to prop y'all up real quick. Matter of fact, hold on, get that extension piece. Charlie. Alright, so just gonna try to use the ratchet. It is what it is. It'll fit. Just want this to be more extended than big. Y'all just make sure when y'all untightening these bolts that you don't drop them. Then you gotta go try to find some more. We ain't trying to do all that. Thought she would come and she ain't coming just yet, boy. Remember, don't lose your boat. Put them somewhere where you know you can find them. And by the way, this is my first time changing the vanos on any BMW. For y'all that know, they had a 550i, and that shit is hell. Just for y'all that don't know what the vanos look like, this is what they look like. And the only reason they stopped functioning probably because all in here get real dirty and gunked up. I mean, you can clean them or whatever from what I heard. I don't know how true that is. I'm just gonna replace mine. Get it out the way. Everybody look, I'm cutting grass. Oh my God. Look at him over there. Sam, I'm cutting grass. Remember with these clips right here? See this metal piece right here? You push them down, and you push the metal piece down, and then you also push the plug itself down. That should be, damn. This motherfucker India, boy. Same thing with this one. Push. If you ain't never changed these in your car, probably gonna be a little stiff. As y'all can see, it's all the oil all gunky. It barely wanted to come out. Get number 2. Hold on, y'all. Look, it's trying to wipe my damn hands. Here come the little weed eater boys. Ooh, let me weed eat. Ooh. If you know, you know. It worked good, so yes sir. What up? I'll be right back in a little secchi though. Told you, but they will come over here. The little weed whacker. Oh no, it's the weed whacker, boys. Man, these vanos has been in this bitch for a minute. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, new vanos. One is already in. Basically all you do is put it back in the hole. And you gotta apply a little pressure, push it back in because you got a new rubber seal, like the little ring. Just gotta get, man, you know what I'm saying? Get up on that bitch like that. Try to get her up in there. Go up in there. Gonna be flush. Then you just take your little 10 mils, you screw them back in. Woo, 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 woo. Then after that, start plugging these back in. We'll be right back. Yeah, they what I'm saying. Alright, y'all, we back. But that top vanos was a bitch to push in, but just in, they back in, they tightened up. I just hand tightened everything until it felt tight, because you don't want to crack the heads or anything. And you just basically, like I said, push these clips and slide them back on the same way you took it off. And shit, that's about it. But we better go ahead and do a little ride around, see what it do, see if the BMW chime come on. Hopefully it don't. So when I get ready to do that, I'll be back with y'all. You dig what I mean? Yep. Got them back. Vanos is in. Doing a little test run right now. I don't know why, but that shit made a big ass difference. I'm not gonna cap. Throttle response is crazy right now. I don't know if that's what we're supposed to do. I believe so. But see if we can get this out of the run. See if we can get him to do a little sign on the end. You know what I'm saying? Ain't not gonna do that shit clean though. That shit clean though. Niggas be scared, bro. What you scared for? Alright y'all, so the new Vanos is trash, garbage. I'm talking about fucking garbage. So if you do want to replace your Vanos with new ones, buy the OEM ones from BMW, because for some reason the car don't read these sensors right here. These don't even have no damn part number on them either. But yeah, so it was actually kept on me in limp mode more with the new ones than the old ones. But I just took some brakeless cleaner and cleaned out the old ones real good, and got all the gunky shit out of them, and it worked 10 times better. So the old ones are back in, but I cleaned them and they didn't give me no problem. So if you want to take the cheaper route, go get you a $3 bottle of brakeless cleaner and just clean them out, spray them out real good till you don't see no oil or caked up stuff in the inside of it, which the caked up stuff would be like inside these little holes right here. So but yeah, man, got them jumps from Amazon. They was some ass. Certain shit you just can't cheap out on, you know what I'm saying, regardless of if you want to or don't. But it was a learning experience, and of course I'm gonna keep trying cheap shit. So but y'all already know. Until next time, Zooty fam, y'all goddamn go ahead and goddamn share, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. You dig what I mean? And we're out.